Lots of metal structures around here. He's not moved yet.
Welcome to Lock 7 of the historic Welland Canal here in Thorold, Ontario, the final step in climbing the steep Niagara Escarpment for upbound vessels. It takes roughly 91 million litres or 24 million gallons of water to fill this massive chamber, relying entirely on gravity without a single water pump. In just 7 to 10 minutes, the lock lifts ships more than 46 feet, bringing them to the same elevation as Lake Erie. Clearing the lock gate, here is the MV Prime, a Norwegian flag chemical and oil products tanker built in 2004. Unlike the massive 740-foot domestic Lakers built exclusively for the Great Lakes, the Prime is an ocean-going salty, measuring 139.7 meters, which is 458 feet in length and 21.7 meters wide, and she boasts a deadweight capacity of nearly 14,750 tons. As we filmed this sequence, a powerful summer thunderstorm was rolling into the region, so keep an ear out for the distant rumbles of thunder picked up by our microphone. If you look closely at her hull, you can still clearly see her previous name, Kisla, embossed beneath her current name, Prime. Let's watch this ship as she eases past us and listen for the sounds that she produces.
You can tell he's been hitting the sides. Look at the state of that. That's ridiculous.
It'll scuff out.
Steady as she goes.
My goodness, even people are inside.
Oh, they're the cruise ship. They're the cruise ship. Oh, look, they're waving.
Hello. Hello.
Oh yeah, they're waving on the bridge, you see them?
Steady as she goes. Oh, hang on, look now.
Things you have to do to get a good video is stand in the rain and get absolutely drenched.
Anyway, so long, partner.
More lightning.
How is this partner? What's your name?
lock number 7. Hope you enjoyed that one. Prime heading down the Welland Canal.